Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our world in ways we never imagined. It enables machines to learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. AI systems can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing patterns, and making decisions based on data. As an aspiring AI engineer, understanding the fundamentals of AI is crucial for your success. This guide will outline the essential steps in your AI learning journey, providing you with a clear roadmap. The field of AI is vast and constantly evolving, with new advancements being made every day. It encompasses various subfields including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities. Machine learning, a key area of AI, focuses on enabling systems to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. By understanding the principles of AI and machine learning, you can unlock a world of opportunities in this transformative domain, paving the way for innovative solutions and advancements.
A solid foundation in mathematics is essential for any aspiring AI engineer. Mathematics forms the backbone of many AI concepts and techniques, providing the theoretical underpinnings that make advanced algorithms possible. Linear algebra is crucial for understanding how data is represented and manipulated in AI algorithms. It helps in the transformation and manipulation of data, which is fundamental in machine learning and neural networks. Calculus provides the tools for optimizing and fine-tuning these algorithms. It allows us to understand changes and gradients, which are essential for training models and improving their performance. Statistics plays a vital role in analyzing and interpreting data, enabling you to extract meaningful insights. It helps in making sense of data distributions, probabilities, and trends, which are crucial for predictive modeling.
Programming is another cornerstone of AI. It allows you to implement the mathematical concepts and algorithms in a practical, executable form. Python is a popular and versatile programming language, widely used in AI development. Its simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced developers. It offers a vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks specifically designed for AI and machine learning tasks. These tools simplify the process of building and deploying complex models. Proficiency in Python will empower you to write algorithms, build models, and analyze data effectively. Mastering this language opens up numerous possibilities in the field of AI, making you a more versatile and capable engineer.
Algorithms are the heart of AI systems. They provide step-by-step instructions for solving specific problems.